Croatian Voice, the news program from Toronto, Canada. This is your host, Željko Todorić. Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Now, some good news. Croatian community of Sault Ste. Marie in Northern Ontario have joyfully greeted the announcement by the local bishop that their church, which was initially slated for closure in 2010, along with several other Catholic churches, would be saved after all. Our Lady of the Highways will remain open at this time with the ongoing contribution of the Croatian Franciscans of Chicago, who have assumed pastoral ministry there, points out the local newspaper. That's the end of our news report. Thanks for watching. God bless.